I suppose we're telling a story of such sorrow and such inspiration and survival.
That some people who to this day haven't said anything or came forward, and maybe their partners or their families don't realise why they're reacting in a certain way.
If we take the weight of this story,
Yeah.
and don't process it and just hand it to an audience and say, that's your weight now, away you go. That's no use to anybody.
And unfortunately, it's an epidemic through Ireland, and I know that from meeting so many people.
Music itself in the hands of a musician like you gets into places that just words can't go. They just, there's bones to poetry, and they just can't squeeze into those spaces. But music has nothing preventing them from getting into the crevices of our being.
Yeah.
And I'm not a victim anymore. I'm a survivor, and I want others to realise that the shame is on the perpetrator and should never ever belong to you. And hopefully this unique way of getting a story like this across will hit that point home.
I think with the pipes, it's more than just melody. It's about creating a tone. It's about creating a colour. It's about creating an emotion. It's about reacting to what Damian is doing. It's kind of all that in one, if that makes any sense.
Maybe coming to a setting like this and listening to the music and the words, it'll give them the strength, even if they don't go any further than outside their family, but to say to their loved ones, that actually happened to me.
Music, and I would think of the lyric poem as music as well. Music can simultaneously empty your heart, fill it yourself, and fill you up at exactly the same time.